Out here in the front yard, you can see garlic is growing in certain spots, but we also have a lot of our sow thistles. And I call them sow thistles because, well, they're spelled S-O-W. And what I like to do is take them up and sow a new seed in the hole. So here we have some raw peanuts, which are one of my favorite things to try to grow. Can't say that I've had a ton of success, but I've had a little bit of success with them. And I know that you have to plant them in there with the skin hole like that. So that's what I'm doing out here today for a little exercise and nature break. Coming through and laying in some seeds where the sow thistles are growing. It's like they're a reminder. We're sow thistles, you better sow some seeds. Okay, aloha.